Good afternoon, everyone. Scout have released today a tool where you can view your students' activity report. So the purpose of this video is to take you through and show you how you're able to view your class activity report. So the first thing is from your portal is Open Scout. I've already opened Scout, so I'll get it up there. A reminder, if you haven't completed the professional learning to get access to Scout, I'll provide that link in this video because you won't be able to access until you've completed that professional learning on Scout. So once your page opens up, on the left-hand side, we're going to come to apps because you firstly need to add this app. So we go get apps. And when this page loads, we're going to search attendance and engagement. And you can see it's come up here. I click on it and I hit get it now. And then it might take several minutes for it to come up in your page. So now I'm in my apps. I can say attendance and engagement. Then I want to come to application activity. And then here we've got to select our variable. So Gosford, you can choose obviously years, but I recommend going through your student groups. So you can see we've got all our role classes here. So there's KG for Miss Griffiths selected. You can see here, firstly, the different applications. So it records the activity for Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and Zoom. But in our circumstances, we're predominantly using Google Drive for the use of Google Classroom and those tools. Now down here, there's an activity report. So if I continue to scroll down, each day, so say today, for Thursday data, that doesn't come in till Friday. It comes after 24 hours. We can see the class here. 0 means 0 hours that they've participated in, and we can see from 1 to 2 and then 3 to 4. So obviously they've got variables set that if 0 is red, that's the reason for the colors there. If I come over, for example, for a stage 1 class, seeing as those students aren't completing their work online, so say they might be logging onto Google Classroom to view what they need to do, they're not completing the activity on the computer itself. So therefore you would expect here to see those zeros. That's normal because they're going onto Google Classroom to view the activities, but they're not completing it online. Where in comparison with, on early stage 1, stage 2 and 3, if I open a random class up, you would expect here where the tasks are being set up and are being completed that you would expect to see a higher rate. So you can start to see a trend over time. Obviously, since this is something new, we're only going off a 1-day trend. But the purpose of this tool is for you to be able to look at and see, okay, obviously they might be working at home using the remote learning packs, but this is just a tool for you to be able to monitor your class's activity report. And I hope you find it useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.